Canon imagePress V700. So just make sure this is the color, same color. Just put there. Okay, then you will close it. So once you close, you cannot open it.
Yeah, you need
when
to.
it is finished only, then you can open it.
Good, huh?
So you can.
imagePress.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Let me introduce myself actually. My name is Karthik. Karthik. I'm from Canon imagePress. Okay, I'm working with them last 17 years with them.
Welcome. 17 years?
Wow. Yes, you know this is the Canon product.
This
Okay.
is German.
I think this is the first Canon product in output.
By
So this model is called imagePress V700.
Okay.
Okay. The speed of the machine is 70 ppm actually.
70.
70 pages per minute. Pages per minute in 80 pages. So basically this is the host machine, this is the engine. Okay, then you have the accessories as the finisher.
Yeah,
Okay,
finisher.
then you have the additional paper type also.
So loading of papers are here.
Yeah. No,
Like
that-
a store.
That is this
Ah,
is the
this
fourth
one.
tray.
Okay.
You have the three trays here.
Three trays, yes.
Okay.
So that means
Yeah.
A4,
Three,
A3.
and whatever the size. No, even you can adjust it.
You
also.
can adjust it.
it.
Any size you want.
Whenever you are loading the paper, just shuffle it as you know and keep it. And this is the maximum level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Each tray level. So once you load the paper, and these trays are basically for 80 GSM and 100 GSM.
80 and
100.
100.
It will support up to 220, but it's not recommended. If you have the thicker paper, actually, like 300 GSM, 300 GSM or 200 GSM, you use it or either this. This is the bypass tray.
One by one or
No, you can
no,
put
no,
it first. See, this tray actually, once you put the paper, actually, it will be, so once you put the paper, it will go down. So it will be around 3,000. Depends on the thickness of
more than 100.
more than 100. Okay. So if you have a bulk prints, like you want to print 5,000 sheets, 10,000 sheets, you load it one time here and just give the print.
and any size that we want.
This is the maximum size you can go for it.
A3?
30 by 480. More than A3. SRA3 more than SRA3.
12 by 80. 12 by 80.
Yeah.
Maybe A3.
So A3 is a 420 by 297, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go here 480.
So it's called
This is your
Anything you want.
A3 SR.
This is
See,
your
one is A3,
so you can go
one is
bigger
A3
than
SR.
When you are
When you
adjusting,
want to print in A3, so you should have to give the print A3 SR.
Exactly.
Because after the cutting, the exact size is coming.
Huwag mo si Marvin.
so when you are adjusting this place, you can just put paper and you have to adjust it. Okay, and again this is the maximum level. And when you want to adjust this, you can do it back. For A3, you can put this here. So whenever you are having, once you put the paper, you are adjusting the guides actually. The standard size will detect by the machine automatically.
No settings here.
No need to cut that. But
Automatically
only you
detect.
have to select the thickness of the paper.
Yeah, okay.
That is important in this machine. Whenever you are printing it, let's say this is the media. Basically, this is called ice gold.
Ice gold, yeah.
Ice gold. There's ice silver also in white color is there.
As silver is better
But,
than ice gold.
okay, so just you are keeping it here. Okay, this is the another thing. So this media, I am not recommending to use it in this trees.
Okay. It curved.
It will be
Curve.
U-turn actually. Basically, this when you putting paper here, what you will do, it will take and it will turn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, this trace and this trace, if you put it, it will get
Straight.
parted in the straight.
I
actually.
see.
That's the reason I'm saying thick papers don't use it here actually.
Yeah,
It will cause you the jams and that. 80 GSM, 100 GSM, letterhead or something, it's okay.
So you
can
need
use
the
it
normal
in the
paper.
normal paper.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's a thick paper, you'll use it either this tray or this tray.
Okay.
And one more important thing in this machine, whenever you are using the thick paper, you should know that GSM.
Yeah.
Thickness. Based on the thickness, you need to select.
Yeah. Because the thickness is different temperature.
Yes, because basically this machine is having, I will show you actually, heavy 1, heavy 2, heavy 3, heavy 7. So heavy 8 or heavy 6 is for 300 GSM.
Maybe 6.
Yeah, heavy 6, let's see.
Okay.
This is the bypass tray, okay? Just come please.
They will be the one to use the machine actually.
Yes.
Not
And you also.
Yeah.
Okay, so this tray, once you keep the paper, come please now actually. Okay, so the screen will come here automatically actually. So you see A4 is coming.
A4. Uh-huh.
Okay, so you can see that it's saying as a plain one actually. But what we are putting the 300 GSM, right? Okay, you have to go to change here. So this is the one. Plain 2 is 80 to 90 GSM. Plain 3, heavy one. So you can go to here based on the. See, you can. This machine will support you up to 350 GSM.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, heavy 8. Okay, but this heavy 6 you have to select it.
So
Where's the
you
lady?
mean, sir,
Yes.
the quality of the print should depends on the,
sometimes
Yes,
will
for the
thickness.
selection. Yes,
paper.
yes, sure. Because when we are selecting the correct thickness,
Okay.
the machine
Doesn't
having already the
orient them,
predefined
Yeah.
profiles.
Sir, for example, I
Yeah.
don't know what's the thickness of this paper. How will I know, sir?
Now you have to ask the suppliers
The
actually
banded.
packing
Yeah,
when
yeah,
they
yeah.
are is coming.
Before you
no?
open the
But
banded.
once you are experienced actually, once you touch the paper,
I think we
can
only,
come to know how much GSM
purchase
it is.
two
actually.
kinds. Huh?
Okay.
No, because this one you need to purchase more media because
Yeah.
this
That's
can handle.
mean
Yeah.
any hard paper,
Yeah,
it must be here.
Yeah.
either there or in the down.
Unlike this
Then you
paper.
can.
You can check it.
Regardless
Yes.
This one, sir.
Yeah.
So this one,
This is 300.
300.
270 to
Yeah,
300.
Any hard paper.
okay.
Any
It's
hard
slightly
paper.
thicker than this, 350 actually.
Because
no,
actually
no,
the
no.
hard paper will be 150 and above.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Okay.
There is a 220 is there,
So which means
170
this is 300.
It's almost
So which means
300.
you have to choose 300.
Because once you experience, no, you touch it, then you can feel actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Graphic user actually they can
Regardless the texture,
thickness
any
of the,
paper.
yeah. Yeah.
Even if it's glossy or anything.
Glossy or anything in the
The
top,
same.
you can select as a heavy actually.
Okay.
Okay, the same thing, we are keeping this paper here. This is basically called matte or ivory they are used it. Okay, you are keeping the paper here, then you are adjusting it. You are closing the trim. Okay.
So
Once
drive D.
you- yeah.
Select drive D.
Yes, this is the home screen.
No,
For to
actually
select,
it's cassette
Where
board.
did you select?
no, this is the
Red
home
is
Ah,
screen.
screen.
Home screen. Home
Okay,
screen.
to specify the thickness of the paper, you can go to here, or you will go. This is the menu setting. Okay?
Menu.
You can go to menu, preferences, paper settings.
Paper settings.
Okay, then again paper settings. You'll see there is a 3 tray. We
Yeah,
put it in the
A4.
4th tray.
Exactly.
See 4th tray now it is showing plain 1 actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It should not
But
be
there
like
is
that.
no D. No, there is no D.
Sorry.
No, because it's cassette 4.
Cassette 4.
Fred.
It's a
cassette
cassette
It's
four.
Yeah.
mentioned
And
there.
if you see that
D is
1, 2, 3, 4.
No,
Yes.
it's mentioned. It's
D,
mentioned.
D is
Ah,
the
okay,
section.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
mentioned.
And if you see the lines inside, that means there are some papers.
There's some
are there.
paper
The
already.
paper is empty. Okay. Then you can go to and sit. Okay. Again the same screen will
Yeah.
come. You
Yeah,
have
then
to
you-
select
you
heavy 6 and
Yeah,
select
heavy
OK. So this is the important setting in this machine because
Yeah.
this heavy 1, heavy 2, heavy 3, heavy for all
Yeah.
predefined profile inside the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, when you select heavy 6, then the machine will assume, okay, you are keeping the 300 GSM.
Okay.
Based on that, it will adjust the voltage, how much toner it has to put, how much the fixing temperature, all
yeah.
this thing will adjust.
Okay.
But we have to select every time this
No, if
steps.
now I put it
or
there.
no.
No, this is now I put it actually
Yeah.
because the graphic designers here I don't know. Basically, you will use there is a different types of media.
Exactly.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
There will be a 170, you'll use
Yeah,
220, 300.
Yes.
So this need to be selected. But once you select it in this cassette now, it will store it.
Okay.
But
Directly.
direct it will store it. But
What
if
if
you
I will keep it 300, but actually I'm putting the 170?
70, that is the it's a wrong practice.
Okay,
that's
so
wrong practice.
again I have to
it's a-
change it
but
to
this,
170.
yeah, but this tray actually, what
Yeah.
happened? This tray, whenever you put the paper, okay, when you remove it and you put the paper, it will ask you automatically.
Okay.
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 If they make the setting first time
Yeah.
for these two trays,
Yeah.
it's need for me to come to here
No,
and
but-
select the
Now, if you are using the same media,
same media.
only one media you are using. it.
Okay.
No
So
other media you are
no
not
need to
using
change.
it.
No need
We
to
can
change.
set it for you.
Yeah.
Set it.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can just keep the paper,
That's
it will
what
work
I-
actually.
yeah.
But if you are using different types of
You need to
media,
change the
Yes.
settings.
We will change the
because what
paper.
happens sometimes you putting here 300
Exactly.
GSM.
Yeah.
You are putting normal plain paper here.
Yeah.
Then it
No.
will be going to be
Yeah.
different things.
We,
So that I'm saying.
no, we using the
So
same
if you
media.
are going to same media, I can set this
Make-
one.
yeah, one time.
Now see when you're putting here, it will ask you the screen, right?
Yeah.
That also I can disable.
Yes, it's coming.
Okay, that's
It
better.
will not ask you.
That's
it will just
better.
keep the paper and you can
Yeah,
print.
yeah.
Same thing here also. Here now it's already set. 300 GSM is set. Until otherwise you are changing it,
Yeah.
it won't change.
Okay. Okay.
So you can just keep the paper and you can use it actually. So one important thing in this machine, you have to know what is the thickness of the
thickness.
media.
Okay.
Based on the thickness, you need to select it.
I have a question.
Yes.
This machine can print two sides.
Yes, it can print two sides.
Even on thick paper, it
In the
can.
thick paper, you are 300 GSM, it will print us on a thick. So basically, you are a designer. The machine is not in the network. Once in the network, I will put you the driver there.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah.
To use this tray, it's not removing all the trays.
It's called cassette 3.
Sorry? It's the
written
same thing actually.
Same like 4 because it's.
No,
written
it's
there.
not the same like 4 actually. Natal. Only the sizes it will support you.
Bigger.
But it's for only the
A3.
100 GSM. Let's regard something only.
Yeah.
Under the 100 GSM, you can use these 3 trays, safe side.
So why it's
So
written
you can use this one
332?
tray for the high media.
Length.
Ah, the
The
length.
length of the media actually. Okay,
Better
and
one.
one more design here. Actually, when I open this tray, when you are closing it, okay, don't push it,
Hard.
immediately hard like that.
in any
Okay.
Hydraulic?
Yeah, it is having actually. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And for the paper jump, the machine will give you the location here.
Okay.
Okay, there are the location. It will give you, if it's a 2-3 jumps in inside, it will show you
Where is
B1,
that?
B2, B3. Okay. So let's say if it's here, there is a lever here. You can open it here. Okay, from there you can do it. There is a door. This is a A1. Okay, you can open the door. Okay, if the paper is there, you can remove
Okay,
it.
okay,
actually.
okay.
So once you remove it, then the first location will go, second location will come. Okay, then this is the bypass. In case if you are having paper jam, you just remove it from here.
Okay.
Okay, wherever the green area, it's for the user.
For the user.
The green, no, I will show it here also. In the front door, you can just open it. Okay, the green lever. Okay,
Okay.
so with the location it will mention C1, C2,
Yes,
C3,
yes, yes,
C4.
Okay.
Okay, so for here,
Open.
this is nothing to do with that.
Yeah,
this
for
is
the
transfer belt actually.
technical
person.
person.
Here you open it actually and remove this. Okay, don't remove this one. Don't try to remove.
Yeah.
Exit.
For the user, no need to remove anything with the screwdriver or anything.
Yeah. Only paper jump.
Paper jam. Only just say C4, you can
Okay.
remove the paper. Also C6, okay, anything it's there you can remove.
Okay.
One more, when you are taking back to back, in case if it's getting jammed, there is a
Duplex.
C3,
Yeah, the
it
duplex.
will come down, so you have to put down, then you have to,
Okay.
when you are closing it,
So only the
Just
green
close it.
points.
yeah,
Yes.
only the
For
green
every,
and
yeah.
also the location.
Okay.
Once
Okay.
you got the paper jam, just don't go through it immediately closing. Which location it is showing, based on that you
Jewel.
remove it.
Jewel.
Then in the finisher, jump in the finisher.
So yeah, jam in the finisher. There is another area also here. Okay, there is a B1, B2, B3.
Okay, for
So,
the
open it.
See, this is the
You can
introduction.
do
is-
that,
Yes,
huh?
yes,
Okay. And before there is a door.
okay.
Okay. You can do that. And here you are having the waste toner actually.
Waste toner.
It is a
Wow.
very big box.
Wow,
actually.
that's a lot.
How many liters?
It depends on the usage.
It's like
actually.
Yeah, no.
Okay, you can see.
Waste toner.
6 gallon, no?
But don't use it. Once
I
it's
think
full,
that-
throw it and
Yeah,
clean
no
it
problem.
and use it. And when you are cleaning it, don't put water and clean it.
Yeah.
No water.
Water will catch it. If you have sand,
Only
put
the
the sand
bow
and you
jar.
can clean.
Okay.
Otherwise you blow it and put it back again.
Anyway, it will.
It will take you
How many years?
Yeah.
6 months or 1 year. How
No,
depends
more.
on the
Depends.
usage actually.
What about the stable?
Sorry?
The
Staples I will show
Yeah.
you.
Tinanggal. Ay, Chams, hindi siya connected sa network, Chams. Hindi tinanggal namin yung kable.
Yeah, we cannot. Okay, you should be down.
Okay, see, once you remove the paper jam, you have to put it back.
Back.
Then the door will close. If you are not, the
Otherwise,
doors are
no.
not closing properly,
Yeah.
okay, don't push it. Okay.
Yeah.
Just try what is the proper position. Then you put it.
Because the technician from Suar, so every time jam, you will call. Oh, jam.
Technician is here.
Don't worry, he will also come. Okay, so here the finisher area.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see it here. Okay, there is the one. There is a finisher. There's a cartridge here. How to replace it? There is a
Yeah, okay.
procedure. It might be the finisher or you are using the same thing.
What about for the...
Basically, this machine having two types of stables actually. One is for the normal stapling,
Yeah,
which is
like
in
this
the
one.
corner and double, and another is culling saddle stitch. It is for the booklet finishing.
Okay.
So for that you can go to here. It will be here.
Cartridge is there? No, no
Yeah,
cartridge.
cartridge is there actually. Basically, it comes along with the mission. Some cartridges.
Okay,
You
there's
take
a
the
free.
box. Yeah, that's free. So one box. No, it is already loaded in the
One
finisher.
box is free. This
For
Also-
the ordinary stapler.
Yeah, this is for ordinary stapler.
Okay,
actually.
ordinary stapler.
X1.
How many sheets?
This is 5,000 pins, sir.
Funds total
Each.
15,000 actually. 3 is there.
Okay.
Also, it is
5,000,
loaded 5,000. So
Okay.
20,000 is there actually.
No problem.
Okay, once it's finished, then you.
And this is
color.
for the
That one
booklet.
especially for the booklet or
Or is
No,
it
this
the
is for
booklet?
the
No
corner
difference.
and the double.
that one?
This same, it will print automatically actually.
Same.
Otherwise, you just need to select.
But
and it
for
will-
the stapling in the booklet, we have to.
we have to keep. If you want
Okay.
to A5 booklet, you keep the A4 paper in this direction. It's called A4R.
A4.
This is A4. This is A4R.
But for the A4,
Yeah.
no need to change
Yeah,
the
because
A3.
A3. You just A3 you cannot keep like this. A3 you can keep only one side only.
Okay, one side. Okay.
That's also clear, right?
Can I
Just
see
check,
the order?
Check.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. Now you see the difference.
Yeah, because it